Google Ads dominates the online advertising market. 76% of the search engine market belongs to Google. And 73% of paid search market also belongs to Google. So if you are a small to medium business, you can vouch that 2 in 5 small to medium businesses use Google Ads to increase their brand awareness, to increase their website traffic, drive more signups and conversions, and eventually more sales. If you are running or potentially want to run Google Ads for your clients or your business, follow me along to build your custom and automated Google AdWords tracker. My name is Rachit Khator, and I'm the founder of a spreadsheet style database tool called StackBuy. And if you like to see more awesome content on how to take your marketing workflows to the next level, hit that subscribe button or that bell icon for more updates. Now let's go over how you can create your custom Google AdWords tracker. First, you go to stackbuy.com. You sign in into your account and you go to templates. So in templates, just search Google AdWords reports template. So here's the template. All you need to do is just click on use this stack and add it to a workspace that you want to add that template to. So in this case, I've added to the big company template. So the template is right here. You enter into the template. So basically this is how it looks. So there is a table where you're bringing in the view IDs from your Google Analytics account. You know which week you want to, bring the reports for. What is the start date and the end date? And in this case, I've connected this to the Google AdWords API. So if I just open this up, so you select connect to an API or a service. In this case, it's Google Analytics. Select an API key. So basically, all you need to do is just add your API key from your account. So if you click here, click on add your API key and just connect your Google Analytics account. So it basically pulls in, the information like this, and you just authenticate it, right? And give the API key name and save it. Because we've already saved it, so our API key is already added here. Now let's go back to the stack. So once we go to the Google AdWords report stack again, I'll just select the API from my account, which is the GA API, which I showed you how to add. Select a service. In this case, I want to bring the Google AdWords data by their view ID. Select the ID column to reference, which is the view ID, and the start dates and the end dates, which is the start date column and the end date column. So you just click on apply. So once you apply it, it basically pulls in the information of this particular view ID from those dates. So if you click on the data, it pulls in all the information, the impressions, the ad clicks, ad cost, CPM, CPC, CTR, the cost per goal conversion and cost per conversion. So you just select which keys you want to add it and configure to your columns. And you just create those 5 columns. Because we already created those columns, all we need to do is, for example, let's just add another view ID. You just copy it here. I call it, say, week 5 of our campaign. The start date, for example, is 25th, 24th to the 30th. And all I need to do is just click on this refresh. And it pulls in the information. So it brings in the ad cost, the total impressions, the clicks on the ads, the CTR, your CPM, your cost per click, your cost per conversion, your cost per goal conversion, right? So for example, let's just add one more here as well. So it pulls in the information like this. So this is how you can weekly, keep track of your, Google ad reports. So Google AdWords is great, for, your ads and for making sure that your brand awareness and your brand is heard in advertising. So all you need to do is just bring your view IDs from Google Analytics add the start dates and end dates, connect a column to the Google AdWords API, and pull in all the information in real time. So all you need to also do is, for example, schedule this API. So you can create an automation, for example, every 3 days or every 1 week, only for the new rows, and you just schedule this. So you click on schedule. So basically all the records are scheduled. So any new row that you create for another week, it automatically pulls in information at a desired date of your choice. So this is how you can automatically create your custom Google AdWords tracker, whether you're running your agency or you're managing it for your clients, or even as your own brand. You can easily use this and customize it and make it your own. So just give it a try. There is a template link in the description. So just click on it and you can get started in less than 5 minutes. So if you like this video, check out our Facebook Ads Tracker video and our Marketing KPI Tracker video, which you will absolutely love for your business.